In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the favicon on Google Sites. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in the tab next to the website name when you're browsing. It's a small but significant part of your site's branding, making your site look more professional and easier for visitors to identify. Let's walk through these steps to bring a new visual touch to your Google site. First, you'll want to go to your Google Sites homepage, and once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the settings menu, which gives you access to all sorts of configuration options for your site, helping you to fine-tune its appearance and functionality. With the settings menu open, the next step is to click on the section labeled Brand Images. As you might gather from the name, this is where you can manage various brand elements of your site, including logos and that all-important favicon. This intuitive layout makes it relatively easy to find what you need without having to wade through unnecessary menus. Now, focus on the area within the brand images section that pertains to the favicon itself. You'll see an option there with the label favicon. Beside it, you'll find an upload button. This is where you can upload the image you'd like to use as your new favicon. It's vital to have the image ready and likely saved on your device to ensure a smooth process. A helpful tip here is to use a clear, simple design. Favicons are small, so overly complicated graphics might not render well. Once you click the upload button, you'll need to navigate through your computer files to select your chosen favicon image. Supported file types typically include PNG and ICO formats. After making your selection, confirm by pressing open or choose, depending on your operating system, to upload the image. Be sure the image you've selected is something that resonates with your brand, because it will represent your site in the tab area of users' browsers. After successfully uploading your new favicon, Google Sites will automatically update, embedding your new logo across the site for synonymous recognition. Lastly, always remember that changes may take a bit of time to reflect on your live site due to caching, so don't worry if you don't see the update instantly, and that's all there is to it. You have successfully updated your favicon on Google Sites. This seemingly small adjustment can significantly enhance your site's identity. Thanks for following along, and I hope your site now has that extra touch of professional sophistication. If you found this how-to helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials to make your digital life a bit easier.